today at the Home Reno show with Reno Undercore magazine, the booth that I designed. So this year I wanted to bring style to the booth, and the inspiration behind it was the tropics. I'm from Panama, so I thought let's just bring a little bit of the tropics to Canada. That way we ended up choosing great products from different sponsors that showcase a little bit of the design concept. Why don't you guys come and join me and I'll show you around. So this year, for the very first time, we decided to give Reno Undercore a reception that is worth it. So we got to design this beautiful custom belt unit from Skona. It was a great way to showcase their logo, their products, their magazine, and what the magazine is about. Style, and of course, Reno Undercore. And what a better way to bring style into the booth, just to bring this amazing wall art from our friends at Care Design. And how about this beautiful set from our friends at LT? Just fabulous, mixing metals and stones. This is our feature wall behind us. Beautiful work done by Ruth Baker. Love the accents, love the palm trees and the banana trees, and hey, for me, it's like home. I choose two beautiful accent chairs from LT Market that just bring texture. I love the velvety feel to it, and it's just, it brings and it pops up all the beautiful banana leaves. For the lounge area, I wanted to just create a very relaxed but not too serious vibe. So we chose this beautiful modular low profile sectional from our friends at LT that is just comfortable and is so inviting. We chose other accessories just to make it fun from our friends at Carrot. So it's the perfect spot just to relax, to chill, and you know, just to take a minute and just take it all in. Thank you so much for joining me in this booth tour, and I hope you can check us out at the next show.